Hello friends, how can you create the path blur effect in Photoshop? Here's the simple method. First, have your image ready. Now go to select subject. After the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to create a copy. While having that copy, create one more copy. Now select the background layer, go to adjustment layer, choose solid color and select any color you want. Press OK. Next, select the layer 1 copy, convert it to a smart object, then go to filter blur gallery path blur. Turn off centered blur and turn on edit blur shapes. Now adjust the arrows just like I am adjusting them. Once it looks perfect, press OK. After that, go to adjustment layer and select gradient map. Enable the mask icon, then open the gradient. Now add 4 middle color points. For the first one, choose blue. For the second one, choose green, but it didn't look perfect. So I changed it to blue. For the third one, also choose blue. For the fourth one, choose white. Press OK. Now go to the blending options. You can use multiply or linear burn for a different look, but I prefer overlay because it gives a clean, vibrant effect. And that's it. Your perfect path blur effect is ready, and you can apply this on any image in Photoshop.